Alright, welcome back to another Iron Man suit update. For those of you that don't know, my name is Jimmy, and I'm in college and I'm building another Iron Man suit. So, as you can see, I have the entire upper body. I just don't have the fingers, and on my left hand, I don't have the hand on me. It's right over there right now. Now, as of recording this, the date is December 11th. Currently, my goal is still to have the entire suit printed by the end of the year. And also, as of recording this, I actually will not be here this weekend. I'll actually be at Disneyland. However, once I'm back, I should be able to get everything completed by my desired deadline. And then I also did decide I am going to reprint the helmet, and I will show you why right now. Alright, so right here is the helmet. I printed this when I was completely out of PETG, which is pretty much what I'm using to build the rest of this entire suit. So because I like consistency, I kind of want to be out of PETG. Over here I have parts of the thighs, and so far they work pretty well. Over here I have two of the lower leg pieces. Anyway, that's about it for this video. Like I said, just a little update as to everything that I've gotten done so far. I'm hoping as well by the end of the year to have it motorized, at least either by the end of the year or very early in January. So that's pretty much where I'm at right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.